How to navigate co-parenting expenses without conflict. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. One of the biggest challenges divorced parents face isn't just custody or parenting time, it's managing co-parenting expenses. From school supplies and medical bills to sports fees and summer camps, shared costs can easily turn into arguments if there's no clear system in place. Let's talk about how to handle co-parenting expenses fairly and without conflict. Start by making sure your divorce judgment or parenting plan outlines how shared expenses will be handled. Many agreements include a 50-50 split, but others divide costs based on income. The important thing is that both parents understand the arrangement and stick to it. Next, create a simple system for tracking and communicating about expenses. This could be as easy as a shared spreadsheet, or using co-parenting apps like Our Family Wizard or Custody Exchange that let you upload receipts and track reimbursements. Clear documentation prevents disagreements and helps both parents stay accountable. We helped a client who kept getting into arguments over small, recurring costs, like field trip money and school lunches. Once we added a cost-sharing clause to their agreement and introduced a simple tracking tool, the tension disappeared almost overnight. At Divorce 661, we help our clients not just finalize their divorce, but prepare for real life afterward. That includes crafting language in your judgment that outlines shared expenses and how they'll be reimbursed, so there's no guesswork down the line. Also, be sure to communicate proactively. If you're planning to enroll your child in a new activity or need to schedule a medical appointment with an out-of-pocket cost, give the other parent a heads up in advance. Surprises are one of the biggest causes of conflict when it comes to co-parenting finances. If you're navigating shared parenting and want to set up a co-parenting system that keeps things smooth and fair, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you create a clear agreement and real-world strategy so you can focus on parenting, not arguing over who pays what.